Hi, I'm Buzz Coates, Security Solutions Specialist from Norbain, and I'm here today to introduce you to a new series of exciting videos in 2022 where we'll be looking at market opportunities. So as a distributor, we're very fortunate because we get to see lots of projects and lots of problems out there from suppliers and installers whereby we get to see what's going on in different sectors of the market. And off the back of that, we're able to see trends, different use of technologies in different markets, and we're able to share that with you and obviously put some of those good practices into some of those projects that you may have. And from this series of videos, we'll hopefully be able to show you how you can transfer some of those skills into different market sectors. So in the series, we'll be looking at different sectors such as retail, education, hospitality, and we'll start to divulge into those areas and look at trends and technologies that are being used. And off the back of that, it might well be a light bulb moment for you, or you could well be doing these things yourself already. But hopefully from the series, you'll be able to transfer, like we said before, some of those skills into new sectors and new customers. This will obviously result in greater customer satisfaction, increase your strength and relationship with your customer. If you'd like to find out more, head over to Norbain TV on YouTube or give us a call.